I finished this plate. What a delight. There's nothing left, but it's alright. Fam put so much love into it, but I ate too much, so I doubt I'll be moving. When the bird is good, the rest don't matter. Could get white, my shirt stained with gravy splatter. Let it rain, cause I'm not gonna complain. With mashed potatoes here, pumpkin pie, a feast so vast to please the tongue and eyes. But I'm not going nowhere, I'm staying put. You'd better believe this turkey's good. I ate way too much, gaining in my thighs. Gonna do cardio, but maybe I'll try. No, it don't always go the way I plan it. By the time I'm done, no way I'll be standing. When the bird is good, the rest don't matter. Could get white, my shirt stained with gravy splatter. Let it rain, cause I'm not gonna complain. With cranberry jelly brownies, oh my baby, I know I'm gonna gain weight. It's buffering. Gonna be glued to this chair and stay rightly put. The Thanksgiving rocks, cause the bird is good. Cause the bird is good. The bird is good, the rest don't matter. Could get my white shirt stained with gravy splatter. Bird is good, the rest don't matter. Shirt might get stained with gravy splatter. And the bird is good, the rest don't matter. Yeah, my shirt might get stained with gravy splatter. Let it rain. Here's the weight, yeah, the weight I wanna gain. There's too much here for which to choose. Baby, I know I can't lose. In this here chair, I'll stay put. And Thanksgiving rocks, cause the bird is good. Thanksgiving rocks, cause the bird is good. Rest don't matter, could get white, my shirt stained with gravy splatter. Oh, hey, with gravy. Baby,